The RunOff waterproof medium packing cube provides adventure protection you can trust. Sized to fit in a backpack or carry-on, the medium packing cube is perfect for everything from beach days to business travel to quick trips to the gym. The patented True Zip waterproof zipper developed by Nite is the first sliding, toothless waterproof zipper on the market. True Zip is easy to use, silent, and reliable. The smooth gliding zipper fits securely in the garage, giving you the confidence that your bag is sealed and your gear is protected. This packing cube is built with durable, lightweight TPU-coated materials, and the RF welded seams offer maximum protection against water, sand, and dust. With a waterproof rating of IP67, this bag is completely submersible. Corner anchor points and a tough bar-tacked nylon handle offer versatile attachment and carrying options. This packing cube organizes and protects electronics, clothing, and gear. The True Zip zipper won't snag or damage your clothes, and the airtight design means it also can be used to compress bulkier items. Trusted, tested, and tough, this RunOff waterproof packing cube is a perfect addition for all of life's adventures.